friends! Welcome to the magical Fruits and Veggies Harvest Adventure with Pixie Pals!
Red apple! Touch and say red apple with me! Yellow banana! Wave and say yellow banana! Yellow banana! Waves and say yellow banana!
Orange carrot!
Orange carrot! Green broccoli! Wiggle and say green broccoli! Purple grapes! Point and say purple grapes!
Red tomato! Pretend to pick and say red tomato!
Red tomato!
Apple, banana, carrot, peas, yummy fruits and veggies, please. Apple, banana, carrot, peas, yummy fruits and veggies, please.
Red apple again! Point and say it louder!
Red apple! Red apple! Red apple! Red apple! Yellow banana again! Jump and say it!
Orange carrot again!
Clap twice and say it!
Orange carrot again! Clap twice and say it!
Orange carrot again!
Clap twice and say it! Green broccoli again! Wiggle faster and say it! Green broccoli! Green broccoli! Purple grapes again! Spin and say it! Purple grapes!
Red tomato again! Cheer and say it!
Yeah!
Now sing with me. Apple, banana, carrot, peas. Apple, banana, carrot, peas. Apple, banana, carrot, peas.
Yummy fruits and veggies, please. Twist and dance, healthy and bright.
Yummy fruits and veggies, please. Twist and dance, healthy and bright. Yummy fruits and veggies, please.
You're doing amazing!
Let's sing it again. Yeah, one more time.
Apple, banana, carrot, peas. Yummy fruits and veggies, please. Apple, banana, carrot, peas. Yummy fruits and veggies, please.
Twist and dance, healthy and bright! You're a harvest expert! Quick review!
Red apple.
Yay!
It's so red and shiny.
Exactly! Healthy and fun!
Yeah, red apple. Yellow banana. Woo!
Orange carrot! Wow, it looks so fresh!
Can we share it? Let's go.
Of course! Let's go!
Green broccoli. Wow, it's so green and fresh. Broccoli is super healthy. Let's try it together. Yeah, I love veggies. Me too. Let's go. Purple grapes.
Red tomato! Red tomato! Wow, so red!
It's beautiful.
Let's share!
Your turn. Name a fruit or veggie and say it loud.
Yay, you know lots of fruits and veggies. You're a harvest champion.
Great job! You're a healthy eating superstar!
See you next time! Keep eating yummy fruits and veggies!
Bye, friends. You're amazing.